Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vivek Kumar and my ID is 19MBA AB087. My topic is structure of management information system in dairy industry. And now I am going to explain you about this topic. Structure of management information system in dairy industry. First, financial assistance. Second, project formulation of bank loan. Third, technical. Fourth, financial. Fifth, managerial. Then other capability in managing the proposed business, experience in proposed activity or others, financial soundness, technical and other special qualifications. Other name of the financing bank, training facilities, assistance available for from state central government regulation, clearance if any it is, etc. Sanction of bank loan and its disbursement. After ensuring technical feasibility and economical viability, the scheme is sanctioned by the bank. The loan is the distributed and disbursed in kind in 2 or 3 stages against the creation of specific assets, such as the construction of said, purchased of equipment and machinery, purchase of animal and requiring cost on purchase of feeds for fodders for the initial period of 1 or 2 months. The end use of the funds in varied and the constant follow up in done by the bank. Now, second slide. Milk procurement and billing. Computerized information system can help to determine milk procurement cost and its impact on sale price. One can visualize receiving milk in 2 shifts from thousands of procurement center data bank about milk route, capacities of vehicles, reception timing and quality status help in scheduling of route. A package had been developed by the computer center to generate bill for payment to farmer periodically for supply of milk based on its fat and SNF content. It did not have much relevance to NDRI, where procurement of milk from farmer in not in practice. Yet the package has its usefulness in situation where milk is being procured by the milk plant and payment is made at suitable interval based on SNF and fat content. Now finish my topic. Thank you so much.